Hi, I'm Jutem, and I'm going to show you the carrot test with Saladmaster just to show you how the antiquated ways of cooking are broken. So first what we're going to do is take cone one. We're going to shred some carrots on the cone one, and we're going to do just a test to show you again why kids would rather throw their vegetables than eat them. So go ahead and take a pinch of carrots and eat it, and what you'll know, it's a raw carrot. So on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being not carrot at all and 10 being a total carrot, what number would you give this?
Give it a 10.
A 10? It's total carrot. So now what we're going to do is show you how, like I said, how the antiquated ways of cooking. So pretend that grandma just scrubbed it and shredded it and then chopped it. Pretend I did that. And then I'm going to dump it to a pan. Pretend this is a pan. And then she'd walk over to the sink and add what?
Water.
So we're going to put some water in there as well. And then she'd grab a spoon and put it on the stove on what temperature?
High.
Yeah, usually she had turbo, she'd do that because she wanted that to start boiling. And then she'd grab a spoon and to start to stir because she didn't want to burn the bottom and the top be raw. And so, now obviously we're not cooking, we're just soaking a little bit of water. But if we do coffee, not saying that coffee is good for you, but if we put water to a bean, do we eat the bean or drink the water?
Drink the water.
We normally drink the water. But with vegetables, we put water to a bean, and then we dump the water down the sink, and then we end up eating the lifeless bean that's left over. And Dr. Charles Mayo of the Mayo Clinic said if the kitchen sink had arms, legs, and a digestive system, it'd be the healthiest member of the family. Now go ahead and try a pinch of carrots and go ahead and eat it and let me know what you taste. Probably tastes a little bit like cardboard.
Yeah, it's not very good.
Now on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being total carrot, 1 being not carrot at all, what number would you give these?
About a 2.
Isn't that insane? Just a little bit of water in less than 20 seconds and we have changes of color. But if we lose color, we're losing vitamins. If we lose flavor, we're losing minerals. And what do we lose in just 20 seconds? And all the natural sugars. Now that's even before heat. But then what happens is we end up serving our kids and family the lifeless vegetable that's left over. So now we have a fiber filler. But because the nutrition density is literally down the drain, we end up adding butters, brown sugars, and things that are once on the lips, forever on the hips. Now, because the nutrition density is low, we end up having to do what? Eat more. So the standard American diet, SAD, is sad because of what we end up doing to our foods just to get our families to try to eat them. So we don't want to cook with water. We want to make sure that we also don't cook in a higher heat. So according to research, we should not cook our vegetables over the boiling temperature because vitamins and minerals are also heat sensitive. So boiling is 212 degrees. So is boiling good or bad for our foods?
This must be bad.
Yes. And then steaming, and that's even hotter. That's 232 degrees. That's why hospitals use those autoclaves. They're the steamers that do what to germs and bacteria?
It kills them.
Exactly. And so when we're steaming our foods, what are we doing to the nutrition?
We're killing it.
Yes. And then the microwave oven is the worst offender of them all. It gets anywhere from 400 to 1200 degrees instantaneously. And then the oven, what temperature do we turn that box on before we cook something on?
350.
Our average of 350. Is that over 200?
Yes.
Good math skills. And so today with Saladmaster, we did not boil. We're not cooking with water or harmful oils. We're cooking our vegetables well below boiling to help us feel better, look better, and live longer. And here's proof. A study was conducted at the University of Wisconsin at the Department of Food and Science at Hazelton Laboratories on cooking methods. And that study showed that Saladmaster retains on average 93% of the nutrients of our food. That's better than double versus any other method of cooking. So with Kitchen Nutrition Systems, we can share that with you.